All right, so this is for video. Let's see, this is the video for Unit 12 review number 3. So this is all of page 2 here, by the way. So let's see, we've got Martin's cone, and its lateral area is the same as Debbie's sphere's area. So let's draw these two things. So here's Martin's cone. I'll draw it with the peak at the top here. And here's Debbie's sphere right here. I can do better than that. Okay, and we know the lateral area of the cone equals the area of the sphere. Okay, so let's see. The cone's slant height is 15 inches. The radius of the sphere is 6 inches. Find the following values. Find the lateral area of the cone. Well, okay, lateral area of the cone is the same as the area of the sphere. So let's figure out the area of the sphere. So area of the sphere formula is 4 pi r squared. So this is going to be 4 pi 6 squared, which comes out to be, oh, and notice this is exact form, so let's not multiply the pi in. It's going to be 36 times 4, which is 144, times pi. So that means that the lateral area of the cone is 144 pi inches squared. So let's go ahead and put that in. Let's see, what do we need next? We need the radius of the cone. So let's draw that in. There's the radius of the cone. Okay, so let's see. Well, lateral area of a cone, we've learned a formula for. It's 1/2 perimeter of the base times the slant height. So let's see, we know that the lateral area is 144 pi. So I can set that equal to 1/2. And then the base here is a circle. So the perimeter of a circle is circumference, 2 pi r, times the slant height is 15. So let's simplify this side. The half and the 2 cancel. And I've got 144 pi equals pi r 15. If I divide both sides by pi, those go away. So now I've got 144 equals 15 times r, so then I can just divide both sides by 15. So then r of the cone, not the sphere, right? The radius of the cone is going to be 144 over 15 is 9.6 inches. So let's see, next thing we need, so here, let me write this in now. Demolish the cone. So radius is 9.6. Next thing we need is the volume of the cone. So volume of cone is going to be, we've learned this formula, 1/3 area of the base times the regular height of the cone. So the area of the base we can get because it's pi r squared, so pi 9.6 squared. And then we need the height of the cone because we only have the slant height. So we need the regular height. So I'll call that h, and then we can do pi tag on the side here. 9.6 squared plus h squared equals 15 squared. In fact, let me move this down because it doesn't make sense to put it right there. Whoa. Here, we'll just kind of put it here. So let's see, what does that turn into? If we get h squared by itself, 15 squared minus 9.6 squared is 132.84. And then if you take the square root, 11.5256. So that goes here. 11.5256. And if you multiply all that junk out, you get 1112.333 inches cubed. Okay, and then the last one says, what's the volume of the sphere? So the volume of the sphere, we've learned the formula 4/3 pi r cubed. And we know that the sphere's radius is 6. So volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi, 6 cubed. And it says keep it in exact form. So let's go ahead and multiply this out. Let's do 4/3. And then we'll leave the pi alone. So times 6 to the third. Now, to raise it to the third, there's this symbol right here, that little arrow up looking thing. And that means to the power of 3. So 288, and then times pi. So we've got 288 pi inches cubed. All right, I hope that helps a little bit, and you can watch the next video for the next page worth of problems.